Hey, a fine good morning, everyone. This is Patricia, and I'm traveling for history. I'm in Burlington, Vermont today at Elmwood Cemetery. This is the oldest cemetery in the city of Burlington, and it is typically locked up. You can borrow a key. You can come in. I'm not sure if you need a reason, if you're part of an organization or not, but you can always call the city and find out. Vermont Old Cemetery Association is here today, and they have a workshop on repairing and cleaning headstones. We've been here since, I'm not doing that work, I'm here filming, but they started about 8 this morning, so 8 to noon. So a 4-hour workshop. And they're working, I mean, it's very sunny here, so it's hot, and it's really humid. I don't know if you can see that in the video, but you can see the humidity hanging in the air. But what I want to point out to you is their website right here, www.voca58.org. That is a fantastic website because they have a cemetery section. So you click on a county, and then you can click on any of the towns of that county. They'll tell you what cemeteries are in that particular town or city, and sometimes they even point out certain graves to watch out for and who those folks were. Really a fantastic website. Now, when they offer these workshops, they are free. So municipalities, hey, you know, I have filmed plenty of cemeteries where there were broken headstones and filthy headstones. They don't have to be. Municipalities reach out to VOCA, Vermont Old Cemetery Association, and schedule something. Work with them. They take donations, by the way. They're happy to take donations. They're on Facebook. You can follow them there as well. So, you know, let's fix these cemeteries. I mean, the cleaners think they have cleaned over 200 headstones today. Good Lord. Kudos to them, because it's just unbearably hot and humid today. Alrighty. Well, this is Patricia. I'm traveling for history. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I truly appreciate it. Thank you for subscribing to my channel and following me on social media, because I am everywhere you are. And till I see you again, I hope you are having a fabulous day. Thanks so much for watching. Bye now.